So there's three processes in the nitrogen cycle. We've already looked at nitrification and we've looked at nitrogen fixation. These two processes have the ability to take nitrogen out of the nitrogen gas out of the air and turn it into nitrates. And remember that nitrates are what the plants need to make and build up amino acids being the building blocks of protein. So during the process of nitrification in the soil, we have these nitrifying bacteria, and they make nitrates from ammonia compounds. The ammonia compounds are found in the animal's feces after egestion, and just through death and decay, you'll see ammonia compounds being put back into the soil. So these nitrifying bacteria can convert the ammonium compounds into nitrates. The nitrates then are taken up in the root hair cells of the plants via active uptake, put into the grass, and then the animals will eat the plants. At the same time, we have nitrogen fixation, which is involving the process of nitrogen fixing bacteria. They are bacteria that live in the root nodules of legumes like peas, beans and clover, and they can convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. So farmers are often deliberately would plant things like peas and beans and clover deliberately because they would add extra nitrate into the soil. The final part of this nitrogen cycle is the process of denitrification, and this is when denitrifying bacteria convert directly the nitrates that were in the soil back into atmospheric nitrogen gas. This is an unhealthful bacteria, and they are present in waterlogged soil with very little oxygen. So it's anaerobic conditions. So they will always convert these nitrates back into nitrogen gas. So it's important that farmers keep their fields aerated so there's plenty of oxygen, so they'll plough those and turn them over quite readily. So there are the three processes that we need to study for the nitrogen cycle. Nitrification is where the conversion of ammonia into nitrates. Nitrogen fixation is when nitrogen fixing bacteria convert nitrogen gas from the atmosphere into nitrates, and the denitrification is the opposite of nitrates being converted into nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria.